How was your meeting?
Great. We sign the contract next week.
Oh, great. I'll come with you. Well, I enjoyed the ride in your plug-in hybrid, and then you'll show me how to recharge the battery.
Yes, but don't you have a show tomorrow? Special on hybrids?
Yeah.
Do you want me to tell you a little bit about it before?
Yes, please. I'm listening.
So, the trick here is to charge as soon as you can.
I thought it wasn't good for batteries to recharge too often.
No, you have nothing to worry about. You don't damage your battery with small frequent charges more than you do with fuller and less
Just
frequent
like my
ones.
smartphone, then.
Exactly. It is that easy.
Okay. How long for it to charge?
So I'll make it short. In a normal plug, I'll need 7 hours charging.
7 hours? But that's a lot.
Well, time for you to work or sleep.
Well, that's a good point.
And since Mr. is in a hurry, there is a reinforced plug called the Green Up. It's a normal plug except it's smarter because it detects the type of cable you're plugged into. Result, your charging time is halved, 4 hours.
Oh, that's better.
And since Mr. wants even more kilowatts in no time, you can also have the Wallbox installed at home or connect to a public charging station.
And so?
Charging time, less than 2 hours.
Now that's fast. No more time to sleep. On the other hand, you told me kilowatts. I mean, that's the more there are, the faster I charge, right?
Oh no, Pierre, listen here. I think a little presentation is necessary. Should we meet in the meeting room?
Okay.
After your shower. Ready to take some notes?
I am all ears.
See that glass of water? Imagine it's your battery. I fill it up, but so that it doesn't overflow.